Job, baby, peaceful life. Still, you are doing this? Once I started my YouTube channel, Facebook group, and LinkedIn post articles, I'm getting questions like, why are you doing this? After a long wait, now you have baby, you have good corporate job, you have peaceful life, what everyone is wishing for. Then why you are doing this? Hi, I am Smita Pradhan and I wish to tell here why I am doing this. For me, pregnancy journey was a long but a memorable journey. So it is not like I started pregnancy journey with step 1, step 2, step 3. I started this journey like any other's journey and I had no idea how to plan for pregnancy. So I also thought the same as majority are thinking. I'll get pregnant, enjoy this journey for 10 months, wait and bring a new member to our family. That's it. But I never ever expected things will happen like this, miscarriage after miscarriage. So one after one, many miscarriages. It it started getting into our life. Initially, we had no clue why this is happening, but when we knew the reason, then also the treatment was not working. So we got into that phase, one doctor to another doctor. The moments of cry, screaming, the fear of society, everything was getting into my mind. So we changed from one doctor to another doctor and then one city to other city. So from Mumbai to Pune we found Dr. Mita Nakhre there. She gave me a positive approach towards our pregnancy. She explained me you need to reduce weight and why you need to reduce weight. What is the link of weight to your pregnancy? She explained like if pregnancy is a journey, your weight problem is this much, but you have some additional problem, your problem will be this much. So she explained me why you need to reduce weight. So with help of my dietitian Silpa Saha, she helped me to reduce more than 15 kg of weight in 6 months and she helped me to establish a daily routine of good diet, good food which will not improve my health but it also impacted my mental health also. Then Dr. Anita Kharat at Mumbai. She did my hand holding from start to end and finally we are blessed with a baby boy. So what was happening in all this process? We went into like moments of fear, anxiety, doubt and then we had discussion with doctor, tons of blood tests. So in all those moments initially yes, I started crying but then it is when things happening again and again it makes us stronger, right? So then I stopped crying and I started thinking, stop it here and there must be some way out. So our doctors helped me, but there was one constant thinking going in my mind, what the woman must be doing who doesn't know all this process, what someone face going through all this mental stress, what the moments of fear, anxiety, what that woman must be doing at some time at some part of the world doing. So I want to help those women who really need help out of my learning, my experience and my knowledge I gained in this path. So let me tell you some why, because this why are really powerful to start my journey. I didn't know how to plan, how to prepare for pregnancy, how to be mentally ready or physically ready or any other way of preparedness. I didn't know. So I want to help in that way. I didn't know where to go, whom to ask if I need any guidance. I initially didn't know how to cope up with that mental stress. I didn't know a specific guidance from anywhere. Of course, there were family and relatives, but there is a structural way of explaining anything. So I wish to help each and every woman out there who need to build their inner strength, inner courage to find and pregnancy is not a journey you need to fight, you need to enjoy it. This is a beautiful journey, this is natural process. Our body is ready and prepared, nature has given us everything, but there are other factors which affect. Sometimes we may get fail, but at the end there is light of hope. At the end we will be successful. So I wish to help each and every woman out there through my knowledge, my sharing. So that is my why uh, I started this journey. So let us make this as a movement that we will help each and every woman out there. And pregnancy is not only a woman's job, it is the family we get which get pregnant along with the woman. So we can help that family going through that phase, that mindset. So everyone can enjoy that phase. So I hope my why will be clear for this question, like why I started this. Thank you.